All right, Tuesdays and 2 bits. We got the old bread box in. My boy Hack finna hook up this alarm, remote start, keyless entry on the old bread box. What you think, Hack?
Right.
Boy, it's the weekend and we really off, but we kind of get that changed this morning. Oh, V6 box, man. My guy here, man. This is actually one of my painters, Sam the Painter, man. Make sure y'all go follow him. This is actually his box, man. And don't ask me why he ain't got no paint job. And he paint cars. I don't know. Don't ask me why he ain't got no Stitch by Slick interior and he paint my cars. I don't know. I'm gonna get on his ice too. Don't ask me why he need a top and I'm his interior guy. Cause I don't know. So we gonna figure it out. We gonna definitely figure it out. Clean box, man. He won this thing off a raffle, he said, man. I think $100 ticket. $100 ticket. Got him a whole box Chevy. And it run good and crank up on the dime. Little 4.3. So he got his alarm. He got him an Excalibur 2-way security system. So my guy Hack, getting everything wired up. You know how he pre-do. He pre-wiring everything up outside the car on the bench. Make it easier to install when that time comes. So he said you got to get the tax signal, and he ain't even opened the doggone instructions. So I guess he don't need it. But he been doing it long enough. So he getting it right, man. Get this thing out, man. I'm gonna update y'all on how well it works. And his Excalibur is a great brand. Or not. Either get it or stay away from it. We gonna find out here shortly. Once my guy get through hooking this thing up, man. Who this one made by?
Excalibur, it's Omega.
Oh, okay, so it's Omega.
Yep.
Oh, okay.
It's all Box. Box International. That owns the
Box International. Okay.
Viper,
So it's replica. It's replica. Okay. So I'm gonna let him finish getting this thing here installed in, man, and I'm gonna come back and see how well it worked. If I can steal it without the alarm going off, throw the whole damn alarm away and the car. So I'll be back in a minute, man. Y'all stay tuned. All right, Tuesdays, we back. And y'all here running. My boy Hack done got it installed, got the alarm installed. So he's going through the testing phase now. That's the remote start, right?
Yeah. That was shit forward.
Y'all hear it. As soon as you open the door, trigger go off, the car shuts off.
Yeah, I put a starter kill on it too, so you can't crank it with the other arm. You know how they like to steal these with screwdrivers.
So he got a starter kill on it. All right, chirp it. Let's chirp it. Let's see how this thing here work. Let's see if this thing here worth buying.
You gotta give it like 10 seconds too for an arm.
So it's locked. Give it about 10 seconds. Oh, door open. Alarm goes off. All right, let's see how this remote start work.
2 times on the button, good telling.
2 times. What we hitting 2 times?
The little half.
Woo!
That little button right here.
Yeah,
Tap that twice to crank it up. Locking arm, unlocking this arm.
Okay. And when you get in, you hit the brake, right?
Put the key in it, turn it to the ignition position, and then press the brake.
Gotcha. So cut it off from the key. Let's see how we cut it off.
Should be the same thing, probably.
Okay. Hit it. Hit it twice, cuts it on. Hit it twice, it cuts it off. Boy, so what you rate that Excalibur? From a 1 to a 10, what you think?
I give it a good solid 8.
A good solid 8, man. A good solid 8.
Yeah. Everything went good.
Everything worked good. Easy enough, man. So we gonna bag this thing out. Hey, Sam, I would like for you to leave it here and get the interior done, but it need a paint job first, so.
Gotta upsell.
You know. Well, at least your alarm worked. Man, we finna get this thing bagged up out of here. And we'll see him when he get here. I'll be back in a minute, man. So the Excalibur alarm is a pretty good alarm to buy. So my guy, he said, man, he recommended the Excalibur, man. He give it a good solid 8. So now y'all know he got no problem hooking them up. And it is in an Omega brand, so. It looks like you could do some things from your phone with it.
Yeah, if you had that link piece, that link R piece they're talking about.
Mm-hmm.
I might be saying it wrong. But yeah, I think it's just like your Vipers have the Smart Start, and CompuStars have the, I can't remember what that's called with CompuStars.
Sweet. So, hey, good solid 8. Hey, my man Hat can hook them up if you in town or this way. We got you from here, man. I'll be back in a minute.